In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Meta Facebook Pixel to Systeme.io. By the end, you'll have your tracking set up so you can measure page views, optimize your ads, and understand which funnels and pages are performing best. First, sign into your Systeme.io account so you're working in the right workspace. It helps to know exactly which funnel or page you want to track ahead of time. Common choices are opt-in pages, sales pages, and checkout steps. Once you're in, head to funnels, open the funnel you're working on, and then open the specific page you want to track. You'll be editing this page directly, so make sure it's the correct variation if you're running split tests. Inside the page editor, look for the settings option, then choose tracking code. This is where Systeme.io lets you add scripts that load with your page. You'll see separate areas for header and footer code. For the meta pixel, you want the header. The header loads as the page starts rendering, which is ideal for the base pixel script so it can register page views reliably. Now, paste your meta pixel code into the header section exactly as provided by Meta. This is the full base code snippet that begins with a script tag. Don't trim lines or modify anything, just copy and paste the entire snippet. If you have multiple pixels for different ad accounts, be sure you're using the one assigned to this funnel so your reporting stays clean and accurate. It's also a good idea to avoid duplicating the same base pixel elsewhere on the page, since adding it twice can cause inflated events. Once the code is in place, click Save and then Publish. Saving stores your change in the editor, and publishing pushes it live to your public page. After publishing, the connection is active and your meta pixel will start firing when people visit that page. If you don't see changes immediately, give it a moment. Sometimes caching or browser extensions can delay what you see. Opening the page in an incognito window or a different browser can help confirm it's live. From here, as traffic arrives, you'll see page views reflected in your meta reporting. If you're targeting regions with privacy regulations, make sure your site's consent banner and data settings are aligned with your policies before sending data. And if you later need to update or remove the pixel, return to the same tracking code area in settings to make adjustments. That's it. Your meta pixel is now connected to Systeme.io and ready to track.